We just read the story Friends about two friends playing together. Now you get to retell it in a Flipgrid. So before we start though, let's look at the format that we should be using when we retell or when we share a narrative, a story of something that happened in our own lives. Okay, so this is our format. Let me tell you about blank. And then we put the events in order. First, blank, next, blank, then blank, and finally blank. And our goal is to have at least two things that happened, but even better if there's three, because then we show an ending. And four would be giving ourselves a challenge. So here is the topic, this spot that I marked in gray. So we know that this time we are going to talk about friends. So we're going to say, let me tell you about friends. And it gets a capital because it was a name. Okay, in fact, because it's a story, we could even, a short story, we can put it in quotation marks too. Okay? So let me tell you about friends. First, remember, you're going to be saying this out loud, so quotation marks, you don't speak them. Let me tell you about friends. First, you tell me the first thing they did. That's what would go in the blank. So maybe you'd say, first, they tossed a ball. What happened next? Next, they did what? They played tag, right? Then, maybe you share that Pam had an idea. And finally, they played with their dog and doll. Okay, maybe you had different ideas that stood out to you, different details. How would you share them? Your topic's the same. You're still going to be telling me, let me tell you about friends, and then the rest of it, you can share your own thinking. Ready? Good luck. Happy learning.